Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an in the post, and this will be in the post number 58. And this will be the third one of 2024. First thing is, I bought a lot of this stuff at Christmas, over the Christmas period, and it arrived over the Christmas period, so I didn't have it. There was too much to do and in the post, just one in the post of the second part of the Christmas stuff. So I had to split it in two, and this is the second part. First thing is an Agedia wildlife medals. Now when I originally looked at this, I thought they were actual coins from the country, but they're not. Agedia is part of the national park which was created in Central Africa. It borders Tanzania and, well, the area covers partly in Tanzania and partly in Botswana. And what these coins are, and they are, they're medals rather than coins. Now all of them, I'll just take one out, and if we bring you down, and bring you in a little bit. I've taken a line one out, and as you can see, they have Smith's Crisps. So this was done in association with Smith's Crisps, and I dare say you had to sign up and eat lots and lots of crisps to get these medals. It will go, and I'll do it as an animal coin hunt. You have a lion, zebra, leopard, black rhino, waterbuck, buffalo, impala and baboon. Now I will do this set of medals as an actual animal coin hunt when I put it through my system. So we'll have that to look forward to. Next thing, let's get some stuff out of the way. I had delivered, I had 4 different parcels delivered. Each of them, none of them actually had, 3 of them actually had stamps on, and there was a Christmas stamp, a standard second class stamp, and also one that seems to show cows. Now I don't know if it was a milk marketing board or something like that, that had an anniversary or something like that, I don't know. It was done during Queen Elizabeth's time, so as I say, I don't recognise them, but I'm sure there was a set of them out at one point or another. Now this one here, this postcard, came with a package from Nottingham, and I bought some stuff from the Nottingham stamp and numismatic shops, and it's just a postcard showing the outside of the building that they're in, which was a nice little gizzit, something I wasn't expecting. Gizzit, of course, is, for those of you who are uninitiated in the RAF slang, is gizzit here, or give it here, freebie. I have then something for Christmas future. Next, I have a pack of 2 cards here that are World War One. They're sweetheart Christmas cards. I won't show you too much about them, but these 2 are from a Royal Naval ships that were around during the First World War. Again, these are likely to be shown next Christmas, and I'm running to next Christmas, as I did I think 3 or 4 this year. I'm going to probably end up doing it as getting a couple of cards or more for each year. The next set may be thought of in some circles as slightly risque, but these are World War One sweetheart cards as well, but they're French ones, and they are all to do. There's one there That is actually not a lady but some flowers. But the other two are ladies dressed in the local, dress of the time, or the fashion of the time. And they're all sweetheart cards, and they're all on the back. If you have a look, they've all been written. Some of them as late as 1918, so they've been the last year of the war. It finished in November, didn't it? 1918. We then have some more embroidered cards. So this, because of the amounts that I've got, I may have to do two separate videos, which will help me towards my videos for next Christmas. Means I'll have two of them already done, 2 or 3 of them already done by the end of January, or whenever I get them finished by. But we have a small lace one there, as you can see there. That one there is more of a so you have one there which says best wishes, then with fond love, and one heart. These have some form of a lot of them are silks. These ones aren't particularly silk, but as you can see, we have a faded rating from 1915. So we have 3 more there, Christmas ones for World War One cards, sweetheart cards. We then have, we're bringing it right forward, and we have the coloured and the Cooper Nickel T-Rexes. I will be doing a video on this fairly shortly. I think actually it works both as a Cooper Nickel coin and as a coloured coin in this case, and it's one of the few, since they started producing coloured coin, where they both look better. They both look superb as coins in their own right. We have a second James Bond coin, the second £5 coin in the series. This I think covers the 1970s, and I'll be going into that in some depth when I do the review. I also have another animal coin thing here. Now we have some UNC notes. These are from the Atlantic Forest series of notes. There are 4 of them. They're all different birds. Now, although they have their own serial numbers, I am not sure whether they are just what we call the uncirculated notes. I don't know whether they are going to be, they're uncirculated because they didn't actually go into circulation and they're just commemorative notes, like we've bought out commemorative coins and not actually released them into circulation. Now I don't know if this is of the same sort of value or not. I'll have to do some research, but they were beautifully coloured notes of some birds, and I thought that would be a nice banknote animal coin hunt. Animal banknote hunt, I suppose. Right, I have one last thing to show you. I will be doing a review of some of these blue card, the gold age cards. Now, as you can see, I have a slightly battered change checker blue card, and it's for the Pride 50p. I needed a couple of cards, including a Pride card, and it was sold it as a Pride card and a Pride coin. Oops, it wasn't that one, it was this one. Was it this one? I think it was this one. I think those two came together. I now have, I think, once I get these ones sorted out and put into my collection, I think I now have a full set in my book and 2 full sets that I have that I can use as either prizes or swaps or whatever else, and I also have a few extra cards as well on top of that. It'll be interesting to find out what Change Checker are going to do this year. Are they going to bring out a new series of the blue cards? Are they going to bring out a new series of cards with a different border colour? What are they going to do? They haven't yet touched either the £2, the old £1 that they had I think about 25 different designs. They haven't done the olds. I think they've done a couple of the older 50p's. I think the 50p's are virtually finished off, apart from the brand new ones that have come out just recently. Now, whether they decide to do a £2 set, which would be nice, whether they decide to do a £1 set, which includes either the one round pounds, the 12-sided £1 coin, so you'd have 2 designs from that and the 20 odd designs from the round pounds. I don't know. Are they going to do a £5 series? They do have room for wiggle for the next lot of trading cards. Or they may bring out a set where they also update and take in and do all the other 50p's that they have not released yet. So there is plenty of wriggle room for them, and I look forward to seeing what they're going to do in 2024. I think the collectors of the blue card versions and the collectors of the gold cards, those of us who have been collecting them, probably, unless you're the new guys who are coming to the hobby, most of us have got them. And they could do with a new set of coins to go on the cards, which is why I said the £2 coins would be quite nice. The £1 round coins plus the 2 12-sided ones. They may even go further on back and do some specialised coins from pre-decimal era. No, rarer coins of the past. I don't know. This is something that I would be interested in seeing what they're going to do next. I'm sure they've already got it in hand, and I think it could be an interesting series if they do it right. For those of you who've had a hunt, I hope you've had a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I am looking to upgrade my subscriber level again this year. I set myself a target of 250. I reached that at the end of November 2023, and over the 31 days of December, I did a video a day and my subscriber level went up to 271. I am recording this on New Year's Eve. I will be setting a target shortly of what I would like to achieve this year. In the meantime, if you have enjoyed watching my videos over the past few weeks and you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? If this is your first video that you've seen, I have got a 31 videos over 31 days in December. So by all means go back and look at those. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.